We got called out to a structure fire. Homeowner was home at the time. He didn't have a phone on him. He had to run to the neighbors. So we had confirmed fire when we received the call. Upon arrival, it was fully involved structure fire.
So everyone's gotten out as far as you know?
There was just a single occupant. He was doing some renovations in the kitchen, it sounds like, doing some countertop renovations. He had exposed contact glue over the countertop, noticed a screw poking up from the underside, hit it with a grinder, and sparks from the grinder ignited the glue.
How did it go up so fast? I see that there's a bit of a propane tank or something over there.
It wasn't the propane, it was strictly in the kitchen area, it sounded like, from him that he was working on, and he had full counter width exposed of contact cement, so very low flash point on that, so one little spark, and before you know it, it was in the cabinets and into the ceiling.